Page 10, this is Coffee Bean, or number, 19 up there on the page. Again, we're just using our C and B, the two notes we just learned in the left hand for bass clef. However, this is in 4/4 time. So let's just look through, I'll just go through the process. It's one line long, bass clef, 4/4 time, we just did that. I see half notes and quarter notes, okay? Because we could have a whole note here, but they didn't put one in, that's fine. And you have thumb on C here, middle C, that puts the hand here. And then I just play it first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. Repeat. 2, 3, 4. Because it has a repeat sign at the end. Did I mention that? No? Well, bummer. Okay. Now, once I have the notes and the rhythms and no hesitations, I can play this without looking at the keyboard, by the way. Then I add the articulation. So finally, they give us some articulation. We have staccatos. These are short. I'm flexing at the wrist here. If I go slow, I'm on the key and I'm bouncing off. If I go fast, I got to do that. So I add the staccatos here. 2, 3, 4. It's a little bit weird with the thumb because the thumb is sideways and the fingers are here. So when you're doing this and the thumb, it just feels weird. It's the same motion. It just feels weird with the thumb sideways. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. So you go through and play this. Make sure you can play it okay. And when you think you're ready, come back to the video. Let's play it together slowly and check the notes and the rhythm. So remember the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. Natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So when you have it learned, you play it okay, no hesitations. You play it without looking at the keyboard. Come back to the video. Let's play it together slowly and make sure you have the right note and the right rhythm. So I'll give us 4 counts now. 1, 2, ready, go. And we will repeat it. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Repeat. 2, 3, 4. 4.